All right, guys, we got Arrma Infraction ramp car. Another one of my fine ideas here. I've rigged up this board to the body of the Infraction. It's got wheels in the front that swivel so I can still turn. I got it attached to the roof here and another brace here. We're gonna put it on top of the car, drive it around, and they're gonna ramp the outcast and the slash off of it. And it's either gonna break or work awesome. So we're gonna give it a shot. Either way, we're gonna film it for you. All right, here goes the first try with the Arrma Infraction ramp car. Like I said, I got wheels on the front of it. Ethan and Noah are gonna try to ramp their cars on it as I drive it around. Oh! Let's see if you can do a backflip. Oh, we lost the wheel already. We only got one wheel. Hang on a second. The ramp's not on that side. Oh, you can do it. Whoa. Ramp's falling apart.
I'm gonna try to do the backflip.
Okay. There, you got it. Yeah.
Can I switch Noah real quick? Can I switch Noah?
Hey, Ethan.
What?
Hey, Noah, come here real quick.
This thing is freaking not doing it. Body's crazy.
Noah, bring that car over here real quick.
That was funny.
Guess what?
But,
This is your car.
okay. Thanks.
Your grandma and I went in together and we got it for you. It's time to get rid of that old hoopty slash. You're welcome. Oh, front flip! Nice! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Find mine.
Okay. Here it comes. Oh! Flash is done for. Oh!
Ryan.
Broke the car too. We break an A-arm?
Yeah.
Destruction has been done.
Yeah, I can't drive this one. I'm on the road.
That's okay, Ethan. We can fix it. You can't drive it like that.
I don't know. Where do I turn this thing
Ethan's brand new car. We wrecked it in 5 minutes. That's okay. These A-arms are cheap. I should have got some. Hello?
Piece off.
I think maybe next time if we use a piece of metal instead of the wood, we might have done okay. Oh!
I want to drive an on-road car so bad. Can I drive that one?
No.
I want to drive that.
Nope.
What do you think about that? You hear me?
That was awesome, Noah. You broke this one too? Jeez.
That sucks.
Everything you touch.
That sucks.
That's awesome, Noah.
I want to drive. I don't want to drive anymore because I don't want to.
Hang on a second, Noah. Let me get that in slow-mo. All right, guys, here's the aftermath. Just about every car here is broken, except for Noah's little mini one. We shredded the tires off the Infraction, both of them. We broke the ramp.
And I broke my RC car.
We broke the A-arm on the brand new Outcast. I'll have to get that fixed for him. Slash sounds like a gear stripped. Go do it out there.
Nope. No, it's not. You just drew me out.
Oh! Alright guys, that'll do it for us. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.